Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
First order of the day, we got $6.50 for 4 miles, 8 items at Wendy's, and they sent me an add-on, an additional $6, 7 items, 0.6 distance. Some good orders, let's get them done. 15 minutes for both of these orders. Got them both in the DoorDash bag, got them in the catering bag, now we ready to go. That's a total of 7.5 minutes per order. Let me know in the comments below, would you have waited that long for these orders? $6.50 on one order and a $6 add-on for an additional 0.6 miles. Would you have waited 15 minutes for those 2 orders? If I can get these 2 orders done in the next 15 minutes, that'll be whatever I get for these orders in 30 minutes, and I'll still have another 30 minutes to come and wait for 15 minutes and hopefully get 2 more deliveries done, giving me a total of 4 deliveries in my first hour. Let's see if I can get it done. Oh man, they slow as hell. But let me get your order. They gotta stack you with another customer. Next order, we got Q-Double. We checking in at Q-Double, y'all. I almost declined this one, but I was like, you know what? Probably the best offer out here for me right now, so I'm gonna take it. $10.75 for 5.1 miles. 3 items, but the round trip is still 10 miles, so it's still 1-to-1 miles money ratio. Like I said, not the best offer, but I feel like this, I declined like 8 or 9 offers. So I'm gonna say, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this. Let's go ahead and check in and see if they got it ready. First hour down, and we got $24, almost 25. Let's keep it going. We back. I made $26 in that hour that I dashed earlier. I went home, ate me some dinner, and now we back out. The time is now 4:53, and I got a slew of horrible offers, guys. Look, if you're getting offers like this, I need you to decline these because you cannot make money accepting offers like this all night. My acceptance rate right now is 10%, y'all. And check this out. I got hit with this order first. The first order they sent me was $5 for 5.7 miles. Pizza bag program. You don't want to take this offer because look, negative miles to money ratio. That's a 10-mile round trip for $5. You're gonna literally lose money on offers like that. Next one I got, $6 for 4.2 miles, 1 item. That's a hard decline. These are the offers that they expect the new drivers to take because they don't know no better. I'm trying to teach you better. Don't take these offers, man. It's just horrible. Next offer, $6 for 3.7 miles at Casey's. Not the worst offer, but it's dinner time and it's the beginning. Everybody ordering entrees and platters. Don't take no order from no gas station going 4 miles down the road for $6. That's not the type of offer you want to take. Next offer, $3.75 for 6.8 miles. 13-mile round trip for a no-tip order. Like, it's just honestly disrespectful that DoorDash even allows these types of offers to be sent. Because no matter who you are, what you driving, what gas mileage you get, that's not a profitable offer. I don't care. Be selective. That's the point of what I'm saying is be selective because you will get a good offer. Look at this. $20 for 8.7 miles, 56 items at PetSmart, right? Now, that's $20. I'm done in an hour no matter what. Now, here's the best part. If you take a look at that item count, it's only like 6 different items, and it's high quantity, high item counts on the item. So that means that it's 6 items, but I'm not going to 56 different SKU locations in the store. I'm going to 6 different locations and grabbing multiple and bulk quantities. Let's go ahead and slide up in PetSmart and get this order done. I'm trying to teach y'all how to maximize without letting DoorDash run your car. Because what you got to realize is your vehicle is the way you make your money. So if you're taking all these trash offers, you are increasing the amount of wear and tear you put on your vehicle. Therefore, decrease the amount of time you're gonna be out the dash's money. Now, if DoorDash didn't allow these whack orders to go through, you know, your car would last longer while you out here, you make more money, but DoorDash don't care nothing about your car. All they care about is making their profit. I don't even know how much they make off of this order, okay? I don't know how much DoorDash makes off of this order. I'm getting paid 20 bucks at least off of it. The customer paid 130 bucks. I'm probably 140 after tax. So that lets you know right there that DoorDash don't really care how much money we make on this. They don't care how much the customer spend. All they care about is they got the order and did it get delivered. So you got to take responsibility and make sure that you're taking profitable orders. Cherry pick and be selective. Super easy. Look how easy this is. Found it. Got all that shopping done in 9 minutes. Somebody love their cats. 30 minutes flat, so now I have a whole nother 30 minutes to get another order done. And I'm right here at Wingstop. I got an order right here. $8.25 for 3.6 miles. And the best part is it called me over here. I got this order as soon as I dropped the other one off. So this is a keep the wheels rolling order. Even if it stay $8.25, that's gonna make that a $28 hour. I'm cool with that. Possibility is gonna go up. It's one of them all-in bundles. The delivery time is literally 5 minutes away, so hopefully it's ready, but that's not guaranteed. But either way, I got 30 minutes to complete this order and still guarantee my $28 per hour. Now, if I get it done quickly, then that means I'm able to get more than $28 per hour. But by me doing that $20 order, getting it done in 30 minutes, that secures my hour. I'm not even worried about the rest of this hour. Once 6 o'clock hit, then I reset, okay, I need to make me a 20. What combination of orders am I gonna get to ensure my $20? And then anything else on the top is just that extra. Now let's go ahead and slide in the Wingstop, see if they got my shit ready. So that second order that I picked up, that $8.25 Wingstop order, ended up turning to $9. So for my first hour, I made $29, and that's just with DoorDash. And the time now is 5, so we just getting into hour number 2, and I got my next order already. Check this out. We got $11 for 7.6 miles, but it's bringing me into my zone over there by the mall. So we over here now at Simon Tacos. And on the way over here, that's $11 for 7 miles right there. 5 items. It might be showing me the full tip. This might be one of my regular customers, so if you get an order from one of your regulars, they more likely to show you more of the tip. I had an order yesterday, one of my regular customers that I seen the name, I know the address. It showed me the full tip, and I was very surprised. So when you get your regulars, they possibly might show you the full tip. But as soon as I got over here, they sent me this, boom, an additional $7 for an additional 0.7 miles. And it's right over here, Chili's, It's Just Wings. So we're gonna slide up in here, see if they got these tacos ready. And then we're gonna head over here and grab some wings. And these 2 orders alone, $18 combined. Hidden tip potential on both of them. This one got 5 items on it, so it's a lot more potential for something hidden. But with them both being over $6, hidden tip potential. So this could be a $25 stack right here. And then by it being the beginning of my hour, I know I'm gonna at least get one more order done in this hour. So we gonna keep our eye on that clock. This hour just starting. We got a double stack already. Let's go grab it. Hour. Both of those orders was ready to go when I got there. The time is now 6:02. I got over there, it was 5:56. That means only 6 minutes then went by, and I got both of those orders picked up. Both of them was ready. So let's get them dropped off, and let's see how quickly we can get it done. Let's go. Next order of the night. We are 2.5 hours in total. I'm at 75? No, $76. Let's go. 2.5 hours, $76. Got my next order already, $8.50, 4.6 miles, pizza bag program. Let's go. That's the 3rd order in a row that was ready to go when I got there. Let's get, I'm finna be able to get another order done before this hour is up. Let's get it. Well, that was definitely a good delivery. Look at that. We got a $15 cash tip. Now let's go ahead and confirm that. $8 what was shown. Let's see what we get. Woo! Oh, okay, no tip on there, but they tipped $15 in cash. Well, I would have never knew that was a no tip order because of how good it looked on the app. I still would have took it, but I don't know why it popped up as a no tip offer, but hey, I still would take it. Let's get it. Yes, sir. We on the road tonight. I got $85 in total. 26 from my previous dash, 26 and some change, and 58 and change right now. $85. Plus I got a $15 cash tip. Stop playing with me, bro. That's $100 already. And I got my next order already. $8, 4.9 miles. Right here at Firehouse Sub. And I'm already here. You know they sent your boy an ad on an additional $7 for an additional 0.7 miles. Let's get it. That's 5 orders in under an hour. I got 15 minutes until we hit the 3-hour mark. So if I get 2 orders done before that 15-minute hit, that means I got 5 orders done within 1 hour. Let's get it. Yes, sir. That's order number 4 that was ready to go when I got there. Now we heading over to Panda Express to pick up this add-on. Have a good one. Sir, the time is now 7:02. We are officially 3 hours into. We got 5 orders done in 1 hour, and I got a $15 cash tip, so that put me at $111 in 3 hours on just DoorDash. No Spark and no nothing else. That's $33 an hour right there. That's how you maximize, man. Being selective. My acceptance rate is 10%. 10% on the acceptance rate. You know, that lets you know right there. Man, hold on. That lets you know right there, I only take orders that are profitable for me. I don't take no trash offers, so be selective out there, I'm trying to tell you. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and end it right there. This seemed like a good spot as any to go ahead and end it. We got $118 in 4 hours. I mean, you really can't ask for nothing better than that. $118 in 4 hours of work. Yeah, that's $29 an hour. Almost $30 an hour, but we're gonna call it $29 an hour. You know what, I would take that any day of the week. If you wanna maximize and you enjoying these videos, leave me with a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.